Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you Scarlet update and how to install Scarlet on iPhone and iPad with no revoke. As you know, lately it has been very difficult to install Scarlet because there is no new certificate from Scarlet and everything has been revoked by Apple. So in this video, I will use DNS anti-revoke from eSign to install Scarlet without revoke. First of all, download the IP file Scarlet iSolution that I edited. You can check the link download on description. After that, open Coinvin website. Make sure you open this website with the Safari browser. Then click DNS and install. Click Allow and install it on Settings. Profile downloaded. Click the DNS profile and install. Input the passcode. And now the DNS has been installed. Go to your home screen. You will see Coinvin icon. Click that and try install eSign. You can try clicking the links one by one. Select the type of design you want. If you don't succeed in installing it and get a message like unable to install, please select another link until you see the eSign icon. If you see the eSign icon, that means you have successfully installed it. Click the icon. If you see Untrusted Developer, please verify it. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, and click Trust. For example, like Sunshine Insurance, which I have verified, because you need a certificate to import it at eSign later. After verified the certificate, you can now open and launch eSign. Before using eSign, you need to certificate to install Scarlet, IP a file with eSign. Go back to the website, click this button to download certificate. Save the certificate to Files. Open eSign again. Click three dots on the top. Click Import. Then import certificate zip that you downloaded earlier. Unzip the file. Then you will see lots of certificate files here. Please select the same certificate name that you verified earlier in Device Management. For example, I will import Sunshine Insurance, then import it into eSign. Now you can install Scarlet with eSign. Please click the three dots above, then import the Scarlet IP file. Download link Scarlet on description. Then go to Apps menu. Click Scarlet icon. Click Signature. Then install Scarlet. Go to Home Screen. Launch the Scarlet. Then press and hold the button above. Then click Manage Certs. Here you need a certificate for Scarlet. Because a Scarlet certificate is different from an eSign, so you have to download a special certificate for Scarlet. Please visit this website. You can download the free certificate on this website. Link the free certificate on description. Select and download the certificate. Uncompress the certificate on Files. Don't forget to see the certificate password on the text file. Then open Scarlet again and import the certificate to Scarlet. Please enter certificate files such as P12 and Mobile Provision into Scarlet. Input the password. And now the certificate has been imported. Here Scarlet can be used. For information, if this certificate cannot be used, you can try several free certificates on the website. Please try them one by one so that Scarlet can install the application you want. Here I am trying to import 2 certificates at once into Scarlet with signed status. Now you can use Scarlet with the help of DNS eSign. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update, and see you on the next tutorial.